In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay employees in Xero Payroll. Paying your employees on time and accurately is essential for maintaining a healthy work environment and ensuring everyone is satisfied. Xero Payroll offers a streamlined process to handle payroll efficiently, and I'll walk you through the steps to get everything set up and running smoothly. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Xero. Make sure to have your login credentials ready and head over to the Xero dashboard. Once you're logged in, this is where you'll access all your financial and payroll information. The dashboard is designed to give you a comprehensive view of your business's financial health, so take a moment to get familiar with where everything is located. Next, you'll want to click on the Payroll tab. This area within Xero is dedicated to managing all payroll-related activities. By centralizing all necessary tasks here, Xero makes it easy to keep your payroll processes organized and efficient. Clicking on Payroll will take you to a new page where you can manage existing payrolls, create new ones, and review necessary details to ensure all transactions are processed correctly. Now direct your attention to the Employees section. This is where you'll manage your team's payroll information. By clicking on Employees, you gain access to a list of all the employees in your organization. Here, you can update individual details, manage pay rates, and ensure everyone's information is up to date. If you need to add a new employee to your payroll, find and click on the Add Contact option. This is a straightforward process in Xero, allowing you to input all essential information about a new team member quickly. Your goal here is to ensure all personal and bank details are accurate to avoid any payroll errors down the line. Adding employees correctly will ensure they are included in future payroll runs without any issues. Once you've verified that all the necessary information is up to date, look for the option to send statements. Sending statements is an important step, as it keeps your employees informed about their pay and any deductions made. By generating and sending out these statements from within Xero, you'll provide transparency and maintain trust with your employees. This step is essential for clarity and allows your team to review their earnings and deductions easily. Finally, to get a comprehensive view of your finances and how payroll impacts your overall financial situation, head over to the Sales Overview. The Sales Overview section provides insightful data about your transactions and helps you track how payroll expenses fit within your budget. Here, you can see a summary of your sales and understand your financial standing better, allowing you to make informed decisions about future expenses. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge you need to pay employees in Xero Payroll efficiently. By following these steps, you'll ensure your payroll process is smooth and straightforward. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.